What we are going to see in our video today is not mystery, conspiracy, or documentary stories. Today you are going to watch a different informative video. That is, almost everyone will have a doubt as to how this bridge is built over water. So to clear all that doubt, we have made this video very short and very simple. This is your third eye. Let's jump right into the video. Building a bridge across a river is no small feat. This requires months or years of planning and studies. The most important part of a great bridge comes under the water itself. Building a strong foundation in water is said to be the biggest challenge in bridge construction. Cofferdams are a special type of structure that is most commonly used for construction on water. To make it, steel beams are first interlocked and welded to the required shape to make it completely waterproof. This is done by lifting it through the river with a crane and dropping it to the part where the pillar of the bridge is to be built. This one structure will have a weight of 400 tons. Now the water is pumped out from inside it, and the necessary construction programs are going on there after making it like a normal place. But in some cases, due to the size and weight shape of such cofferdams, it is not possible to use them to pick up and deposit in the correct position. Then they are rolled down into the river and pulled along with the water so that they do not sink, and fixed in the required place. Pilling is done inside these cofferdams and the strong pillars of the bridge are built. This is the most important part of building a bridge. Once the pillars are ready, then the remaining parts of the bridge can be started. Here we see the construction of a bridge that supports the weight with the help of cables. One of the most mandatory requirements for such bridges is huge towers from which the cables are connected to the bridge. Such towers are manufactured in several sections at the factory and then transported by barge to be attached to the piers of the bridge. These are precisely assembled using huge cranes. Thousands of nuts and bolts are used to hold the tower in place. After this, the part where the cable is to be connected is added to the top of the tower. So the tower is ready and now the bridge is needed. For that, the middle section of the tower is brought in first. Since the middle part of the tower cannot support its weight with the cable, a metal structure is built in the middle of the tower to support its weight. This is where the section is brought with utmost care. This section is organized in two parts. Once the middle section is properly set, then the sections on either side are carefully added one by one. Each such section, made of steel panels, weighs about 20,000 tons. All of these sections are prefabricated in a nearby production facility in order to complete the construction of the bridge very quickly. After this and all the operations are completed, they will be taken to the river for assembly. From there, it is picked up with a crane. After joining these sections, the cable should be connected. When we look at it, we see only cables, but it is a large system that works with the help of motors. Each cable is made by combining about 100 wires with several steel wires. It will also be supplied with 2 outer coverings of high-density polyethylene to protect it from rust. These cables are pulled tight with the help of motors. They are installed in such a way that they do not break for 100 years. After connecting in any sections, other sections keep coming. This will happen equally from both sides. At the same time, the construction of the approach road and the highway connecting to the bridge will be going on at the side. So when the sections from both sides of the bridge are joined together, finally the middle section of the bridge is joined at the stage. It will also be lifted with a crane to the same level and connected with a cable. So at last, the bridge is ready. How was this video of making the bridge? Comment below and let us know your views. If you are interested in watching videos like this, then definitely comment. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching the video. This is Third Eye, signing off.